This right here is the best beginner book for learning to write Chinese characters. Tuttle says it's the quick and easy way to learn to write basic Chinese characters, and they're right. My name's Kuei-Jo, and I'm the creator of Elementary Chinese, where I teach you and other expats here in China how to learn the everyday Chinese you need to communicate what you want and connect with Chinese people. If you want more book reviews or how to learn Chinese videos or interviews with other expats who have learned Chinese and they share tips with you, consider subscribing to my channel. If you need the link to a book that I recommend from Amazon.com, those are in the descriptions below. Let's dive into the book. While there are thousands of Chinese characters, in fact, you probably need something like 2,000 to read a newspaper, you don't need nearly that many to order on a simple menu or read Chinese street signs or go shopping, and that's the premise of this book. They have picked 100 characters for beginners to learn, and I flipped through each and every single 100 characters, and they actually are characters that are useful for day-to-day life. Thank God! So how should you use this workbook? Well, a good way to learn Chinese characters is by writing them, and even better if you're thinking about the meaning of the characters while you're writing them, and even better than that is if you hit the like button on this video for the YouTube algorithm. No, really, hit the like button. But yeah, writing characters fixes them on your brain, literally in your memory. That way you can remember them longer. So especially if you're a kinesthetic learner, somebody that learns through movement and action, you want to write the characters down. So I like this book. It has light gray characters. You can trace over them. It shows you arrows for each stroke. Also, they were thinking about beginners clearly because for each character, they included simple words that include that character, and about 80% of the words are useful words for everyday life. So there is absolutely enough writing space, and the grids are actually big enough, here's my finger, for beginners to practice writing in. So do not get this book if you're looking to specifically practice HSK characters. There is some overlap, but Tuttle has this book which corresponds with all the HSK characters in level 1, and this blue book which corresponds with all HSK level 2 characters. I would get this book if you're not already using a textbook, in which case get the accompanying workbook for that textbook. Get this book if you're learning on your own with another learning system like Living Language Mandarin Chinese or Get Talking Chinese, and you need more character practice. If you want to see a playlist of my favorite books for learning Chinese characters, tap or click the screen right there, and if you want to see another video from me at Elementary Chinese, tap or click the screen right down there. My name is Kuei-Jo, teaching you the everyday Chinese you need to communicate what you want and connect more deeply, more meaningfully with Chinese folks. Good study, day up.